Hi everyone, welcome to Coder Squad. Today, we're diving into the world of HTML, the backbone of web development. Have you ever wondered how websites are created? HTML, or Hypertext Markup Language, is where it all begins. HTML is a markup language that structures content on the web. It uses tags to define different elements like headings, paragraphs, images, links, and more. Let's start with the basic structure of an HTML document. Every HTML document begins with doctype HTML indicating the document type, followed by HTML, head, and body tags. HTML uses tags to define elements. Tags are enclosed in angle brackets. For instance, H1 represents a heading, P represents a paragraph, and IMG represents an image. Elements can have attributes that provide additional information. For example, the IMG tag has the src attribute specifying the image's source. Let's create a simple HTML file together. Open a text editor, type the basic structure, and save the file with an .html extension. We'll add various elements like headings, paragraphs, images, and links to demonstrate how they function within HTML. HTML allows you to organize content using elements like div for divisions and all/ol for lists. We'll explore how these elements work. HTML5 introduced semantic elements like header, footer, nav, and article. These elements add meaning to the content, aiding accessibility and SEO. And there you have it. HTML is the foundation of web development, allowing you to create structured and engaging web pages. Stay tuned for our next video, where we delve deeper into HTML and its advanced features. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, hit the bell icon, comment, and share. Happy web development!